Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's fundamental to every business, big or small, the difference between finance and accounting. You might hear these terms used interchangeably, but they represent two distinct, yet equally vital, functions. Think of them as two sides of the same coin, working together to keep a business financially healthy. To help us understand, let's meet our animated guides, Alex the accountant and Frankie the finance guru. They're here to break down these concepts in a simple, easy-to-understand way. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what each role entails and why both are absolutely crucial for success. So, grab a notepad, and let's get started on our journey into the world of numbers. Let's start with the core of what makes these two fields different. Imagine you're driving a car. Accounting is like looking in the rearview mirror. It's all about recording, summarizing, and reporting on financial transactions that have already happened. Accountants meticulously document every dollar spent and earned, creating a clear historical record. You can see this in animated charts showing past sales data and expenses, all neatly organized. This backward-looking perspective is essential for accuracy, compliance, and understanding a company's past performance. On the other hand, finance is like looking ahead through the windshield. It's about planning for the future. Finance professionals use the historical data provided by accountants to make strategic decisions. They focus on managing assets, forecasting future revenue, and planning investments to help the business grow. See how Frankie is analyzing those historical charts to project future growth curves and identify investment opportunities. One looks back to ensure accuracy, while the other looks forward to create strategy. Now, let's see how this works in a real-world scenario. Here's an animation of a small business owner, Sarah, who runs a coffee shop. At the end of the month, her accountant, Alex, presents her with two key documents, the income statement and the balance sheet. The income statement is a simplified report showing her revenues from selling coffee and pastries, minus her expenses like rent, salaries, and the cost of coffee beans. This tells her exactly how profitable her shop was last month. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of her business's financial health at a specific point in time, showing what she owns assets like her espresso machine and what she owes liabilities like a small business loan. It's a clear, factual record of the past. Sarah can now take these precise reports to her finance advisor, Frankie. Frankie analyzes the data, notes her profit margins, and helps her plan for the future. He might suggest investing in a new, more efficient espresso machine to increase sales or developing a strategy to pay down her loan faster. This practical application shows how accounting's historical data empowers finance's forward-looking strategy. So, let's wrap up with a quick summary of the key takeaways. Accounting is the meticulous process of recording and reporting past financial transactions, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Think of it as the foundation, the solid ground of financial facts represented by icons of ledgers and calculators. Finance, in contrast, is the strategic process of managing a company's assets and planning for future growth. It uses accounting data to make informed decisions about investments and financial management, symbolized by icons of growing charts and money trees. While accounting looks backward, finance looks forward. Both are indispensable for any successful business. A business needs the clear, accurate history from accounting to make smart, strategic plans for the future with finance. Understanding this distinction is the first step toward mastering your business's financial health. That's all the time we have for today. We hope this explanation has clarified the difference between finance and accounting and shown you how they work together to create a powerful financial strategy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content designed to help you navigate the world of business and finance. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or ideas for future topics, please drop them in the comments section below. Your feedback helps us create content that truly matters to you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.